How to download Postmates. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install this application. So in some cases, you'll not be able to find it in Play Store. In this video, I'm using a web browser. I'm opening Google Chrome. Now simply enter download APK Postmates. So you can directly come to this link of Softonic and search it. Here you'll be able to see the option called free download. Tap on free download. Now tap on OK. So it will take some time and it will automatically start to download. So this will give you an APK file which can be later installed. So let's wait for some time, and if you go to your downloads, it will be already installed. So this is a riding sharing app used in USA a lot. So it will take some time and you'll be done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.